My name is Dr. Hadia Nicole Green. I'm an assistant professor at Morehouse School of Medicine and a physicist with 3 degrees in physics, and I've developed several award-winning laser and nanoparticle-based treatments for cancer, including one that completely eliminates tumors after a single treatment and approximately 2 weeks without any observed side effects in mice. I recently founded the Orally Smith Cancer Research Foundation, a 501c3 nonprofit named after my late aunt who inspired my treatments, as a fundraising arm to assist me in translating my treatments from the laboratory into humans. Think Susan G. Komen meets Eli Lilly. I am dedicated to changing the way cancer is treated, and I am a culture shifter.
Hi, my name is Captain Barrington Irving. In 2007, I set a Guinness World Record to become the youngest person ever and first black man to fly solo around the world. Thank you. In 2012, I became a National Geographic Explorer, and in 2014, I launched an education tech company called The Flying Classroom. I basically transform my airplanes into a real-life magic school bus, travel around the world exploring STEM, and we bring to life subject matter in schools that teachers struggle to really make engaging. Part of our success is that we sell site licenses to school districts all across the nation because we've realized the greatest issue in education is no longer access to technology, it's access to quality content. And I am proud to be a culture shifter.
My name is Macy Peterson, and I am the co-founder and CEO of On Second Thought. My team and I created a patented technology that allows you to fix human error in mobile environments. We started with an app that lets you take back text messages before they get to the other person. You are all so very welcome. And now our licensed technology allows you to undo social media posts, peer-to-peer remittance transfers, as well as documents. I was named Text News Innovator by Essence Magazine, and I was on Inc. Magazine's 30 Under 30 list. I'm closing our $1.5 million seed round that will make me the 14th Black woman to have raised over $1 million in seed funding. Prior to On Second Thought, I did not have experience in technology. My background is in marketing. But I found strength and inspiration through the statement that God does not always call the qualified, he qualifies the called. I am a culture shifter.
My name is Brennan Marcano, CEO of the National GEM Consortium, a 40-year-old nonprofit that provides fellowships for members of underrepresented groups to pursue advanced degrees in STEM. Over the decades, we have supported close to 4,000 fellows, such as Ursula Burns, Reginald Van Lee, Sylvia Acevedo, and many other CEOs and deans of engineering schools. I am part of a team that knows that diversity is the key to scientific impact and competitive advantage in the U.S., and so we push every black and brown student to achieve their fullest potential and make major impact in industry and academia, and to eliminate the statement that there's no good diverse talent out there. I am a culture shifter.
Good afternoon, buenos tardes. My name is Michael Blake, New York State Assembly member and a newly elected vice chair of the Democratic National Committee. I have the honor of being the first African-American male to be elected in a post of leadership for the DNC since the great Ron Brown. When thinking about our work, it's focused on training and recruiting candidates at all levels. As an assembly member in the Bronx, New York, our motto is building a better Bronx. Minority and women-owned businesses, criminal justice reform, housing and education, We are the first state in the country for the My Brother's Keeper program, a $20 million initiative for young men of color. As a part of the DNC, we're focused on helping communities of color, women, youth, working class Americans to be a part of the political process and rebuilding our democratic process that we need right now. Our work is focused on the 3 E's: economic development, education, and equity, and I am a culture shifter.
Hi, my name is Ty Maud Taylor. I'm the CEO of THX Limited, formerly a Lucasfilm company, now a Razor company, and we provide superior audio-visual experiences in the cinema, automotive, CE businesses, and last year, if you went to go see her, at Beyonce's Formation Tour. Prior to THX, I was a serial entrepreneur, and I've had 4 exits, including 1 IPO, which is super tacky to mention out in public. But I am proud to help others in their path to success. I'm dedicated to helping executives and middle managers raise their profile and go on to lead winning companies. I am a culture shifter.
My name is Romanio Nicholas Goffman II, and I'm 7 years old. I was named an ambassador for the European Organization for Nuclear Research located in Geneva, Switzerland, also known as CERN. Some have called me the next Einstein because of my advanced study of organic chemistry, particle physics, and the arts. I plan on using my knowledge to teach and inspire others, and for the betterment of the planet. And oh yeah, when I'm 19, I want to make a star and put it in the Andromeda Galaxy. I am a culture shifter.
My name is Andrea Hoffman. I'm the founder and CEO of Culture Shift Labs and Culture Shifting Weekends. I'm proud to announce that I am a new Senior Fellow of Social Innovation at Babson College, and my first project is to create the nation's largest library of case studies on modern-day African-American entrepreneurs. I'm proud to use my knowledge and my network to change the perception of what's possible and profitable. I am a culture shifter.